Ever wish you could wake up with sharper vision than when you went to sleep? It might sound too good to be true, but it's not. Believe it or not, a few simple cooked vegetables, the kind you probably already have at home, can help protect and even repair aging eyes while you're sleeping. This isn't a quick fix, but a gentle, effective strategy I've seen work for people in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. After years of working with older adults, I've seen one quiet struggle come up again and again: the slow, frustrating loss of clear sight. It's that feeling of uneasiness driving at night, the struggle to recognize a loved one's face, or the squinting required to read a menu or a letter. You might feel a bit uncomfortable asking someone for help or nervous about going out because everything looks blurry and faded. The hard truth is, this decline often creeps up so gradually that we don't realize how much we've lost until it starts to limit our freedom. But this isn't your fault. Your eyes are simply aging along with the rest of your body. And while you can't turn back the clock, you can give them exactly what they need to stay stronger for longer. When prepared the right way, these everyday vegetables can gently nourish your eyes even during the hours you're sleeping. Today we'll explore four powerful choices, starting with a familiar favorite and ending with one most people completely overlook, even though it might be the most effective of them all. If you care about keeping your vision as sharp as possible, make sure to watch until the end. 1. Carrots, the night vision booster. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, so many times that it's easy to dismiss as an old myth. But for older adults, especially those who struggle to see clearly at night, this advice is firmly grounded in science. Carrots get their bright orange color from beta-carotene, a plant pigment that your body can convert into vitamin A, one of the most essential nutrients for healthy vision. Specifically, vitamin A plays a direct role in the production of rhodopsin, a protein in your retina that allows you to see in low light. Without enough of it, you start to experience blurry night vision, difficulty adapting to changes in light, and that unpleasant glare from headlights. Here's where preparation makes all the difference. Raw carrots are healthy, but cooking them, by gently roasting, steaming, or sautéing, softens the tough plant cell walls, unlocking more beta-carotene for your body to absorb. But that's only half the equation. Beta-carotene is fat-soluble, which means it needs a healthy fat source to be properly absorbed into your bloodstream. Pairing cooked carrots with olive oil, avocado oil, or a small amount of butter creates the perfect delivery system. Studies have shown that adding just a teaspoon of healthy fat can dramatically increase the amount of beta-carotene your body takes in. And here's why timing matters. Your body's natural repair and regeneration processes happen most actively while you're sleeping. Eating cooked carrots with a healthy fat at dinner means the vitamin A they provide is available right when your body needs it most, during those overnight repair hours. Vitamin A also helps maintain the health of your cornea and supports your immune system, which indirectly protects your eyes from inflammation. For practical use, aim for at least 2 to 3 servings of cooked carrots a week, especially in the evening. 2. Broccoli, the internal bodyguard. If carrots are the heroes of night vision, broccoli is the bodyguard that protects your eyes from the inside out. One of the biggest threats to healthy vision as we age isn't something you can feel right away. It's inflammation that slowly damages the delicate tissues of your eyes over time. Left unchecked, this silent inflammation can weaken retinal cells and lead to vision problems like macular degeneration. This is where broccoli earns its place at the table. Broccoli is loaded with two powerful carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin. Your body sends these straight to the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Over the years, exposure to sunlight and screens can weaken this camera lens of your eye. Lutein and zeaxanthin work like natural sunglasses inside your eyes, filtering out blue light from screens and neutralizing free radicals. To get the most out of broccoli, lightly steam it until it's tender but still bright green. This breaks down its fibers, making these key nutrients more accessible. And like carrots, pairing it with a healthy fat like olive oil helps your body absorb them far more efficiently. For older adults, these small changes can make a noticeable difference. I've seen people who found reading tiring begin to add steamed broccoli to their dinner a few times a week and notice that everyday tasks become a bit easier. It's not a dramatic overnight change, but a steady improvement that adds up over time. By including anti-inflammatory foods like broccoli regularly, you're not just protecting your eyesight for today, you're also reducing the risk of future decline. 3. Kale, nature's protective glasses. If broccoli is a strong shield for your eyes, kale is like putting on the best pair of protective glasses nature can offer. This humble dark leafy green is one of the richest sources of vision protective nutrients we know of, making it especially valuable for those most at risk of serious vision loss. The condition where kale truly shines is age-related macular degeneration, AMD. AMD is a slow, progressive breakdown of the macula, and when it deteriorates, it affects every close-up task you do. What makes kale so powerful is its incredibly high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin. These pigments act like an internal pair of sunglasses, filtering out blue light from screens and neutralizing free radicals. Your body can't make these on its own. They have to come from food, and kale is one of the best sources available. Research shows that people who regularly eat foods rich in these carotenoids tend to have a stronger natural filter for their eyes, which is linked to a lower risk of developing AMD. Like broccoli, kale needs the right preparation to deliver its full benefits. Raw kale contains compounds called oxalates, which can bind to minerals and block absorption. Lightly steaming or sautéing kale not only reduces oxalates, but also helps release and preserve its eye protective nutrients. And again, a touch of olive oil or avocado oil make them far more bioavailable. Consistency is key here. Aim for kale 3 to 4 times a week so your eyes get a steady supply of these vision-saving nutrients. 4. Zucchini, the gentle soother. Zucchini might seem like the quietest member of the vegetable family, but for aging eyes dealing with dryness or irritation, it can be a gentle yet powerful friend. As the years pass, our bodies naturally lose moisture more easily. Tear production declines, and the tissues inside and around the eyes can become more vulnerable to friction and stress. That's why so many older adults notice their eyes feeling gritty, itchy, or tired, especially at night. Zucchini offers an elegant solution. It's made of more than 90% water, making it one of the most hydrating cooked vegetables you can eat. This natural hydration helps keep your tear film, the thin layer of moisture covering your eyes, more stable, which improves clarity and comfort. Beyond its water content, zucchini is also a good source of vitamin C, which helps maintain collagen in the cornea, and manganese, a trace mineral that helps activate enzymes in the retina. Another advantage is that zucchini is incredibly easy to digest, making it a perfect evening food. Its soft texture and mild flavor blend effortlessly into soups and sautés, ensuring your body can absorb and use those nutrients efficiently during its nightly maintenance cycle. Cooking zucchini enhances its digestibility while preserving its vitamin C content. Lightly sautéing it in olive oil not only improves flavor, but also adds the healthy fat needed for better nutrient absorption. I've seen many older adults struggling with chronic dry eyes find relief simply by including zucchini in their dinner several times a week. Its gentle support can help reduce that gritty sensation and make closing your eyes at night more comfortable. Putting it all together, carrots, broccoli, kale, and zucchini each bring unique benefits, but together they form a powerful healing meal. Try this simple recipe. In a pot, sauté half a chopped zucchini and olive oil until soft. Add half a chopped carrot. Cook for 5 minutes, toss in broccoli florets and a quarter cup of chopped kale. Add a few tablespoons of water or broth, cover, and steam until tender. Eat this in the evening 3 to 4 nights a week to deliver nutrients during your eye's nightly repair cycle. Aging does affect vision, but your body still responds to nourishment. Even in your 60s, 70s, and 80s, your cells still rebuild and your eyes still try to heal. 4 vegetables cooked gently, chosen with intention, and eaten a few nights a week can help slow decline and protect the vision you have. Healing isn't always about reversing damage. Sometimes it's about holding on to clarity, connection, and independence. Remember, you are not helpless, you are not too late, and you are not alone. Your comeback doesn't have to be loud. It just has to be steady.